fro, it means that I was walking in one direction and then in the opposite direction a repeated number of times. But in this collocation, to and fro, no words can replace the other. For example, we cannot change the word to, we cannot change the word and, we cannot change the word fro. To and fro will always be used together. Therefore, we call them fixed collocations. And the meanings of fixed collocations cannot be guessed because they are called idioms. Yes, idioms are one example of fixed collocations. You can talk about any idiom of English. We cannot guess the meaning, first point. And the second point is that they are always fixed. Let's take another example of an idiom. For example, I say apple of eye, apple of somebody's eye. In this apple of eye, no word can be changed, and further, we cannot guess the meaning of this idiom unless we consult a dictionary. So it's all about fixed collocations. And now we have weak collocations. As the name suggests, weak collocations are made up of words that collocate with a wide range of other words. For example, he had a broad smile on his face. Broad collocates with a smile, but it also collocates with many other words. For example, broad shoulders, broad accent, broad avenue. So the word broad and the word smile are said to be weak collocations. Similarly, broad shoulders will also be weak collocation. Broad accent and broad avenue will also be called weak collocations. Now, we will talk about grammatical categories of collocations. Yes, in grammatical categories, we talk about that which word class can be collocated with other word class. So here is the list. Verb plus noun. I mean, a verb can collocate with a noun. And the opposite is also true. A noun can collocate with verb. Similarly, a noun can collocate with another noun. And adjective can collocate with a noun. And adverb plus adjective possible, and verb plus adverb are also possible. Let's have some examples of these grammatical categories. Verb plus noun. It means when we have a verb, which nouns are possibly used with this verb. So the verb being used with these nouns will be called verb plus noun collocation. So draw up a list. Draw up is a verb. In fact, it's a phrasal verb, and a list is a noun. So we can say draw up a list is a collocation. I am drawing up a list. It's a sentence example. And draw up a list is a verb plus noun collocation. Similarly, noun plus verb. Opportunity is a noun, and the verb arises is collocating with opportunity. So when opportunity arises, we should not miss it. Then we have noun plus noun, a piece of equipment. A piece is a noun and the word equipment is another noun. So these two words are being used together. It's a combination of words. So we will call it noun plus noun, a collocation. Similar examples are there. Plain truth, adjective plus noun, stunningly, attractive, adverb plus adjective, and fail miserably, verb plus adverb. So these examples are making it clear that the grammatical categories are possible in collocations. All the grammatical categories have been listed here. Now, we have come to the conclusion. After going through all these slides, we can conclude that we can simply conclude that when we want to sound more natural in our speech or writing, we need to learn collocations. One more important point I'd like to end with is we cannot make collocations ourselves. We have to learn the common collocations if we want to sound more natural, if we want to have variety of words, To use in our spoken or written language, we need to learn collocations. So that's all about collocations from my side. I hope that I have cleared all my points. Thank you very much.